Kuranda truly is the village in the rainforest situated 330 meters above sea level on top of the McAllister Range in the heart of the wet tropics World Heritage Rainforest. Rainforestation Nature Park is an all-weather attraction home to the Army Duck rainforest tours on land and water, the Pamagiri Aboriginal experience, and the iconic Australian animals in the Koala and Wildlife Park. The park has 55 tourist sites. The resident owners, Brian and Julie Innes, are very friendly. The park covers 27,100 hectares of mountainous tropical forest northwest of Cairns. Rainforestation Nature Park is a tourist attraction near Kuranda in far north Queensland, Australia. Set on 100 acres in the midst of World Heritage Rainforest, the park, formerly Mountain Groves, opened in 1976. The site had previously been used as a coffee and orange plantation. Rainforestation has since expanded significantly to give visitors insight into indigenous culture, Australian native wildlife, and World Heritage listed rainforest. We can explore the depths of the rainforest using the most appropriate transport, an amphibious World War II Army duck with six-wheel drive for the forest floor and a propeller and rudder for cruising the waterways.
Everyone's first time in an armadillo. Yeah, me too, so we'll have a good time. I won't be stopping and starting with it just because we have a fun crash gearbox system, so it ain't going to be like a normal car room. So over on the left side there's a little kookaburras. They love this tree just in front of us, the corkwood. They lay their eggs on the leaves. They also do get a bit high off the sap and the bark. So a lot of people wonder why they don't find there. So for me personally, I like to take the roots out of the ground. I'll cure and dry them for about 4 weeks. Then I find it a bit better to eat.
The rainforest is very ancient and complex, with some primitive plants like tree ferns dating back over 150 million years. On the unforgettable 45-minute rainforest tour, you will see and learn about massive butterflies, ferns, orchids, strangler figs, stinging trees, azure colored kingfisher, and a host of other plants, animals, and reptiles.
Right, so most guides do a vote. I haven't seen anyone choose the vote road, so we'll just skip the democracy. We'll take our 6 tonnes in the water. Just do your hold onto your phones at the start, very bumping for a little.
Rainforestation has three main components. The first one is Army Duck Rainforest Tour. Operating since the park opened in 1976, visitors to the rainforest aboard an amphibious World War II Army duck as a guide explains the array of local plants and wildlife.
Around you. Then you got caught by a leaf, usually end up having to wait for help. So that's why we call this one the Wait a While Vine. It's good stuff everywhere around here. So this one's my favourite. I call it Hairy Mary. So it's very soft. I had a kid come up, he had a feel of the middle. He decided to say in front of the whole group it felt like his mother's leg hairs. Yeah, kid nearly got king hit. But never drink creek water, please. There could be leeches in there, dead animals, someone just went to the loo. That will give you a tummy ache. Instead, cut a metre of these canes. Unfortunately, we do got to go about 700 metres that way, then you find the big drop off. So add onto your phones. 1 second, it's a little bit bumpy coming around this area from the peaks.
Second is the Pamagiri Aboriginal Experience. Opened in 1993, Pamagiri means silent snake. The experience includes a performance by the Pamagiri Aboriginal dance troupe in a rainforest amphitheater and a Dreamtime walk where visitors can learn to throw a boomerang and play a didgeridoo, a musical instrument.
Have another go. Very good. Yes. And if you want to make sound, you got a six pack here. You don't have to do that. But tweak the guts and use your vocal cord. It comes out loud. Yeah. You nearly have it. Yeah. You want to have a go? Have a go. Well done. Good. Yes. Very good. And
All it is, hold a pistol roll. All the way through. Hold a pistol.
The third is the Koala and Wildlife Park. Opened in 1996, visitors can walk along elevated boardwalks to view native Australian animals, including crocodiles, koalas, kangaroos, wallabies, dingoes, wombats, cassowaries, lizards, and snakes.